हेलो फ्रेंड गुड मॉर्निंग बड़ मन को मोर नमस्कार सान मन को मोर बहुत सारा स्नेह भल पाइबार कुनमन प्रेस फैमिली ब्लॉगर रे आपण मन को स्वागत करूछे। आ एटा नेक्स्ट वीडियो हे दिनर वीडियो नेक्स्ट वीडियो आमे एटा केन के जाइथिलु चलन मैं देखाउछे आपण मन को। आमे म्यूजियम जाइथिलु केन म्यूजियम काना चलन देखबे।
आगे मैंने उसको ऑप्शंस भी दिए सुधीर को।
Welcome to Ancestral Goa, or Bigfoot as it is also known. Bigfoot because the legendary imprint of the foot of a virtuous man whose character and penance pleased God so much that he was lifted to heaven is found in this place. Ancestral Goa offers you a stir in the air to provide a cool environment to those seated below. Opposite that you can see the palanquin, the mode of transport for the landlords. While the master and his mistress would seat in the palanquin, four able-bodied heads and carry them. In front of you is a picture of Sant Mirabai carved out of a single laterite stone. Mahendra Alvarez, who conceptualized ancestral Goa, single-handedly sculpts this image by using traditional tools. His labor of love has been...
You will be assisted carefully and please move on as and when you are requested to do so. Thank you. Legend has it that the entire Konkan stretch was reclaimed from the sea when Lord Pershurama. Here is Demo welcoming you to his land. Let us take a look at Goa as it looked then. I am Dami, the local fisherman. Why are you gaping at me? Is it because of what is covering me? Oh, this is the rainway that we goats use. Made entirely from a coconut palm leaf, it protected us from the rain and also the blazing sun. And it was totally natural and biodegradable. Weren't we truly eco-friendly? In fact, in the bygone days, we depended distinguished in their attire, going with their nets to catch nature's bounty. Kashti, or the loincloth, was worn by us. Take a closer look at them. Behind, you can see the salt pans. Briny water from the sea was let into... We got salt. Let us now move ahead to meet Pidu.
Implement called kubra. While the coconuts would be sold in the market, straw rafters from the stem, etc., all nicely placed in the cupboard there. Further ahead is a typical fisherman's hut erected by the seashore. Sturdy enough to withstand the strong winds, it was made entirely with bark.
After climbing the steps, to your right is the house of Zuam, with mud walls and cow dung plastered floor. Their traditional attire, kapot for ladies and kashti for the gents, hangs in the balcony. The cups like the plough, the leveler, etc., that were required to till the land are displayed here. Each kettle head had a different bell tied around it of the bell. Did you notice the different types of BDs used in those?
Fermentation. Once fermented, it is put in the big pot and boiled. Vapors are collected in the small pot where they are condensed by pouring water in the pot, and the resultant ukura, which is a light drink and is mostly consumed during the summer months. Ukura makes quite a potent drink. The nuts were roasted and kernel was removed from them by cracking the nut open, as the lady in green soundproof boats and also as a pesticide. Ahead is a cross. Such crosses dot the Goan landscape as they were erected anywhere and everywhere, but with a purpose, either in memory of a person who died there. To your right is the machine. You can get the feel of being a local lord. You have to be quick, as you have only a few minutes to do so. We have to move ahead to see some other facets of Goan life, so please hurry.
clothing where the water is channelized to the mouth of a cow as it is considered to be a holy animal. This is the font Boca de Vaca, or mouth of the cow spring. To wash their clothes and utensils, as we can see Shantu doing. A tub covered out of laterite stone to soak the clothes was usually kept by the side of the spring. Naturally available berries called rito were used to cleanse the body. Let us now go ahead to visit Nandu, the village pond. See the various stages involved, ranging from seeding the sand to polishing the final piece and baking it. Note the change in clothing at every stage of work, including the different attire worn by those marketing.
Next to Nandi's house is Inas's house. He is the local carpenter and his house doubles up as a workplace too. Here we can see Inas's wife feeding her child behind the curtain. The carpenter's trade along with their clothes are on display. Behind you is the golden shepherd called Dangal, who live in the hills of the Sayatis and tend to mostly goats, though they also had some cattle heads to protect him from the blazing sun. It is a popular belief that everybody and every place has a guardian angel. Here by the side of the step, you can see a priest dedicated to the protector of the village called Rakhunra. Whenever everybody can learn 7 rams will
मम्मा को भी क्या चाहिए तेरे को? इसमें 3 आइटम है यहाँ, काजू बादाम और
ये इटा खाना पड़ता है।
हाँ
क्या क्या बोलते हैं बोल
क्या
रहे
कोकम 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 बोलो कोकम
Waffle patties है। मैंने भी कॉफी मंगाई गोवा का माइक्रोवेव से 100 रुपए दी बॉक्स पैक करके देता है।
हम इतना दूर जाएंगे ना, नहीं ले सकते। हम लोग बहुत दूर से उड़ीसा से आए हैं।
मालूम है ना, उड़ीसा लंदन से आता इधर।
हाँ मेरा ऊपर छोड़ ही ना पड़ा ना, फिर ऊपर छोड़ वहाँ से चलता
Every village in Goa had a watering hole known as tavan, with a soda machine that was much in use, where the men folk would gather in the evening after the hard day's work to take a drink or two and also exchange gossip. This was the only place that offered entertainment, and you can see some people playing tabla, a game extremely popular then.
फोटो बैठे थे। शॉर्ट वीडियो
told him lies to plan to rob Mahadev of all his and all that he had. Finally, he was left with nothing. Puram asked him to sell his house and to give him the That's your wish, the secret. and it is fulfilled. Please leave your footwear out and mind your head as you enter.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, बहुत थका लागला बुली बुली जेनटा आपण मैंने देखले इटा मुई स्टार्टिंग रे जेनटा कहली चलन म्यूजियम देखामी इटा से म्यूजियम में आमे बोलुछु कथबार्ता से जहाँ जेनटा थिला जेनटा कहूतिले बतौतिले हमको इटा 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 सेटा गोवार जेनता आग रोहुतिले से माने केनता रोहुतिले काना ई सब जिनस सेने अच्छे म्यूजियम में सेटा मुई डायरेक्ट आपण मानको देखाई दीछे इटा गोटे रीलटे बनै दियो मोर लगे बोली बोले इटा बनै दउथिले इटा आ पूरा एंता केन्द्र केन्द्र अधा जगह मुझे कहीचे अभी मत थका लागलान पूरा एक फास्टिंग आते चलुव जे चलुव बोले से मुझे दही खाईकिना बाहर सेन देखी आगर भिडियो खाई सारे टे लगसी थका लगसी ये जिनस है आटा सब बनाई देखुन सेन सब केनता आग गोवा थिला से जिनस भितर सब दिखाई केनता लगला आज वीडियो मत सियोर कमेंट जनाबे भल लगले लाइक कमेंट शेयर करवाटा भूलबे नहीं तारपर आम बोलूँ तापर आम सी बीच टिके गलु आमर पाखटा जस्ट टिके दूर देखलु बसलु टिके कहूँ तो ई मत बोले पछेका जिमा होटेल बोले अटकई आओ से बीच के फिर गलु आ गोटे गोटे दुकान भी गलु आ जेन रास्ता जो फिर से रास्तार फिर बैक कलु अलग अलग जगह जेने सेने गोवार बहुत फंक्शन भी होता है सब भी मुझे आपण मन को देखाबी आगे चलून आने गोवार से दिन ना गोटे बहुत बड़ तांकर गोटे फंक्शन चलुला सेटा भी बोले होता सेटा बहुत भल लगला देखिकिना से जिनस मैंने भी सेटा तो मुझे आग भिडियो दे देछे आपण मन तो देखी सारी न हे रास्ता टिके देखिक गलु काण गोटे कहसन न मुझे भूली जाऊे भूली गली सेटा से फंक्शन तांकर हेसी समस्ते सेने पार्टिसिपेट करसन जे भी करि पारला हेन्ता नहीं दुकान बजार से दिन बंद थिला से दिन संडे थिला ना हेतिले दुकान बजार भी बंद थिला समस्ते से पार्टिसिपेट करथिले नाटा भूली जाऊे काଣା कहसन गोटे गोटे हेटा आउे तांकर संगे आम एटा बोललु तापर पार्क भी गलु पार्क रे भी बसीचु बोले पार्क भी अच्छे आ सेना सी बीच भी अच्छे आदिना जिमु पुन पुन घर संगे मिसिकिना सेटा भी मुझे आपण मन संगे शेयर करबी ठीक अच्छे जदि आज वीडियो किसी भी आपण मन को भल लगला लाइक कमेंट शेयर करवाटा भूलबे नहीं तापर बुली बुलिकिना पार्क जाऊँ तापर फिर आनिक आमको होटेल रे छाड़ीदेवे फिर नेक्स्ट डिनर वीडियो देखवाली पाबे मोर 3 तारीख एनिवर्सरी केनता मनालु नेक्स्ट लास्ट आ गोटे ब्लॉगटा देखवाली इतार पर जेन ब्लॉगटा आबा नहीं भूलबे केनता काଣା हला सेटा भी मैं एडिटिंग निहा करे करबी इटा एडिटिंग करके जस्ट टिके वॉइस दे दूचे सेटा भी देखवाली नहीं बोले से इटा बीच के आइल टिके टिके शूटिंग करछे मुई बेसी शूटिंग नहीं करी इटा आम आम जेन होटेल रोला तार पाखर बीच है यहाँ संध्या टाइम होना तो सेना टे बसमा शांति टे बसमा बोली गलु शांति टे बसलु अमूल छाँच चाहिलु छाँचटा टे मुई पीली टे पीली पी नहीं पाली पीदेले आटा भिड से भी सर्ट भिड मुझे आम घर फैमिली मेम्बर को देखी एंता एंता एना अच्छे एंता ये बोली वीडियो कॉलिंग करके देखी यहाँ रीत घर के आड़े यू घर के भी समस्त को मुझे देखी ଆଉ ଚାଲୁନ୍ ଏବେ ଟିକେ ସେନ ଶାନ୍ତିରେ ମୁଇଁ ଏଇଟା ବସିଛେଁ ଦେଖୁନ୍ ସେ ବି ବସିଛନ୍ ମୁଇଁ ବି ବସିଛେଁ ଛୋଟିଆ ପାର୍କରେ ଥିଲା ସେ ପାର୍କରେ ବି ଛୁଆମାନେ ଖେଲୁଥିଲେ ଆଉ ତାପରେ ସେନୁ ଆମେ ବାହାରିକିନା ପଳେଇ ଆସିଲୁ ରୁମ୍କେ ଆଉ ନେକ୍ସଟ ବ୍ଲଗ୍ ଦେଖବାର୍ ଲାଗି ବିଲକୁଲ୍ ନାଇଁ ଭୁଲବେ ଆଉ ଇ ବ୍ଲଗ୍କେ ଭଲସେ ଦେଖିଲେ ଯାଇକିରି ଆପଣମାନେ ଡିଟେଲ୍ ଦେଖିବେ କାଟି କାଟିକିନି ଦେଖୁନ୍ ଜାଣିପାରିବେ ଠିକ୍ ଅଛେ ରହୁଛେଁ ବାଏ।